with the power of Jamie. Wait, with the power of Jamie. That thick stuff. Cash just be messing with y'all guys. Thick, white, drippy phone. Yes, sir. Clingy phone. She fighting. Stuck on there. Can't even see it through the thing. Y'all know Cash is testing products, cleaning up my baby. I clayed my windows and windshield, clayed the front bonnet and side panels. That's just to get that slickness back. It's still protected, of course, but you know your protection get clunked up with all that road grime and stuff like that. Cash is letting it dwell, get everything to the bottom, and I'll be back. So there's gonna be a quick video on YouTube for y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoy this one, man. Cash gonna come back and let y'all see how the gloss look, how the ties look, ties shine, all that great stuff. Let's keep grooving, baby. Y'all know what we doing. We grooving and moving, baby. Here we go. That thing look good, bro. I ain't gonna do much lie to you. Gonna be for sale shortly. The wheels. So yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was something quick. This thing here too sexy, bro. I'm not gonna even lie to you, man. This is a sexy truck, man. But y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe. This Cash with Cool Dad Car Care. This Cash with Cool Dad Car Care. Y'all tap in, man. Alright, this is a quick one too. Look, so ties are still holding up real good. Shout out to Exaform. I just wanted to put that in this video. Truck is dirty and it's been off about like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and look, it's still shining. I washed the truck to bring it back. I washed the wheels and it came out like this. I didn't use no tie shine, no nothing. So shout out to them for having something going with that one.